Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm going to show you how to mount the receptacle for the HHS series. Now this receptacle comes in three types of material, either steel zinc plated or stainless steel, or if you need better corrosion resistance, you have also zinc nickel plating, which lasts 960 hours of salt spray test instead of 420. Now there are also two mounting hole diameters, either 4.1 millimeter or 3.3 millimeter. Now, basically how to mount it, so you have your panel, you already prepared the holes. Make sure you countersink the holes so that the rivet will be flush on your panel. So when you add the receptacle, you place in the rivet. You take your riveting tool, and the second rivet. And your receptacle is fixed in the panel. And you see it's nicely flush. So when the top panel with the stud goes on top of it, it's nicely installed above each other. The rivets we have are also countersunk, which is not a standard item which is everywhere available. You also have a different way of mounting the receptacle, which is a side mount receptacle. Now this one you just slide over your panel after the prepared hole and you're good to go. These come in two different sizes. Please contact us for any more information on them. For other information you can also download our catalog on turnlock.eu. Thank you.